Do you want your chicken to be juicy and delicious as this? Ooh, look at that juiciness coming from the chicken. Well, you're in the right place because here is the secret. Let's get right into it. In a sufuria, add in 1 cup of hot water, garlic and ginger pieces, lemon slices, thyme, which can be either dried or whole, black pepper, rosemary as well, either dried or whole, then salt and honey. Then give it a good stir and cover to boil for about 5 minutes. Once boiled, pour the mixture into a bowl and add in cold water. Then add in your chicken pieces and cover with a cling film. So here is our brine. It's ready to go into the fridge the whole night. Then we'll now start preparing in the morning. And as you can see, I've really forced issues over here. Yes, you guys are forcing issues these days. Yeah, but I've forced issues over here. I didn't want to transfer it into another bowl, so I decided, well, they'll all have to fit here. Wapende, wasipende. So yeah, so I'm just going to cover it to the cling film, then let it soak, or rather brine, the whole night. Yeah, then we pick it up from there in the morning for this chicken quarters. Once marinated, you can then bake your chicken. Remember to subscribe and turn on the notification button to get notified of part 2 of this. Thank you so much for tuning in over here at Holami with me, Stacey Candy. Till next time, subscribe and share with family and friends. Goodbye.